Client Portal Dashboard. The Client Portal Dashboard is the main homepage for clients using smart roads. It gives clients a simple overview of their traffic management jobs, booking requests, site reports, and provider connections. At the top, the Welcome banner introduces the portal and explains that clients can view traffic management jobs, submit booking requests, and track site reports from one place. The Traffic Management Provider section shows which providers the client is connected with. Clients can filter the dashboard by provider or view all providers at once. The Data View section allows users to switch between Team View and My Data Only. Team View shows information for all team members, while My Data Only shows only the current user's personal data. The Operations Summary gives a quick snapshot of job activity, including total jobs, upcoming jobs, jobs in progress, and completed jobs for the month. The Requests and Reports panel shows the number of booking requests, site reports awaiting review, and jobs scheduled for today. The All Jobs section lists the latest traffic management jobs. Clients can search by location, project, or job ID. If there are no jobs yet, the system shows a Create Booking Request button, so the client can submit a new booking request. Overall, this dashboard helps clients manage traffic management work faster by keeping jobs, requests, reports, and provider activity in one clean workspace.